Dudley.
Yes.
Marvellous. Here to TIG Weld. I want to show you the technique of using the torch with the wire. So here we have Dudley. Dudley's just had his first ever TIG lesson with me. First time TIG welding. He's done a little bit of welding in the past. Previously, yesterday you were doing some stick welding, weren't you?
Yes.
Yeah, love it. So just come 5 minutes with me and you've managed to do one-handed welding and then two-handed using the wire. How did it go?
I'm pleased with that. I obviously can understand that there's a technique to be absorbed, but I've got the hang of it.
You've laid down a really good TIG weld, so well done.
Yeah, well done. Thanks very much indeed.
Thank you, Dudley.